Hi, this is Hannah Taylor, and this is my overview video for Enhancement 3. So first I'm just going to show that um, my account button is working, and then to create an account it's working from here as well. And you'll notice that I've got the name value pair. The name action and value register is working. When I click on my account, it's working. And then checking to validate HTML, no errors or warnings. CSS, no errors or warnings. We'll go home and do HTML. No errors or warnings. Green is good. And lastly, create an account. Validate local HTML. No errors or warnings. Thanks for watching.